We're going off road, way back off the highway.
Alright, so we kind of started this one late. What Jamie's done here is he's pulled the axle off this XJ and we're putting it on with TJ. We're going to put this 1-ton steering on it. So he's drilling, what, a 5/8 hole? 5/8 hole on this knuckle here. Slapping his knee with a battery. Got it on the drop equipment arm. He's got one of the long arms already on. I got here late, so that's why it's like right in the middle of the project. Looks like he's got that drilled. Now see some average jack stands. Look at that. Oh! Look at the other wheels off the I see that. Look at that. Y'all flex like that? Alright, so now he's drilling the other side. Am I straight? Yeah, you look pretty straight. There you go. I can get until he gets it filled back with the other ones. Ah, shit, that's hot. Somebody's bringing us a cutting wheel. Alright. I'm gonna have some lift springs to put on that one while the axle's off. That'd be a perfect time to lift that one. I guess you're putting 1-tons on it, huh?
Yeah, but I need the springs. But I guess I'd have to take it all apart to do it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I gotta build those long arms for it first. Or buy them. I kinda wanna build them.
I say you build them.
That's what I say. That made short work of it.
Yeah. And you were going to use a hacksaw.
I was. I actually had an old wood saw. I was going to get me and my boy and we were going to... But then you advised against it, so we didn't. Put the steering back on, and we got the holes drilled and ready to. So let me get this side in first, bud.
All right.
Alright, now we need to tighten it down. There's that side. Then we just need to torque it down when we get done.
And you never broke it off because this was on the TJ already, so that's good. How far are we off? Holy crap. You got a ratchet strap?
We might be able to let the
Can you
jack
push
down.
forward on it?
Let the jack down,
It's
and
gonna
then it might slide over, so. We might be able to put the jack over here on this side. Jake, let the jack down.
Oh yeah, hold on.
No, that moved it a lot there.
Yeah, let's see.
We still got a lot to go.
Not too much, man. Maybe like 1.5 inches. Alright. Oh, you're so close.
Alright. Jake, here, go throw the bolt in.
Where?
Right where he's at. On that side.
Or just hold the camera, Jake.
Right here, hold the camera hand.
Hold it, Nick.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah. A little bit more. Oh, shit.
I wonder what the zip ties are for.
Slight, just a smidgen more. Oh, man.
Hold on, let me.
There you
I
go.
can't get something I can grip on. I'm sliding away.
There's only yours.
Oh, dude, the steering is on my leg.
It'll roll up. Oh, I guess not enough. Should we? Do I need to take the steering apart?
Um,
Can that help you? Alright, fuck it, we'll take it apart.
That's this side. Alright, so put your track bar in first. Putting the cart in front of the horse.
This thing,
On there. You got a hammer.
damn thing binds up on there.
We had to use the bar.
It's sitting on that cinder block.
Is this it?
Just get that scoop
putting
for
it
the wrench.
Let's see something.
Lift it up.
Jake, hold this camera.
I want to hold it.
I need a 1/4 of an inch this
All right.
way.
Oh, sorry, man.
You're good. Oh shit, hold on. Hold on, but you too much. There we go. You sure this is the bolt? Because it doesn't fit in there. We might have to drill it out a smidge out if it fits in the hole.
Alright. See if, make sure that's the one for the track bar, though. I believe that's the one.
Yeah, it fits perfect on the track bar.
Alright, so we need to drill that hole out.
Yeah.
I have a. How big is that bolt?
Alright, so now we gotta drill out a track bar bolt hole. We're gonna find a drill bit, we'll be right back. Alright, drilled it wider.
Where's your bolt?
It should be right here.
Is that big?
Kind of sloppy.
Alright, I gotta figure out how to get it bigger in the back part, though.
Without the front.
Okay, so we need to drill 2 holes for our track bar, but the back hole, we only have this unibit, so what we're going to do is cut it in half or cut actually a little more than half, so it doesn't cut a hole in the axle, and we still get our clearance that we need for our bolt to go in. There we go. Perfect. Alright, let's hook this shit up. How far off are we?
Barely, dude. Come towards me is front here.
Sweet. You see where that nut went? I lost it earlier.
On top of the shock mount.
That's where I lost her in. Up there in the sand pit.
In the sand lot. You need to move out.
Yeah.
Cool.
Here, hold on. I can probably do it with this.
Put it well flat if you can. I can't. You ain't got a fat head, do you? There we go.
Alright, that's probably good. Oh, there it is. We're going to be amazing and put on a rotor.
Holy shit.
It's a rotor. Kind of rusty.
Kind of rusty.
But not
Rusty
that
Shackelford.
rusty. Hey, do you got a knife on you? Perhaps. Alright, well then I'll break the zip tie another way.
We only carry firearms.
Good thing I'm so handy dandy strong. I could break that zip tie like that. Come here, you dirty bitch.
Alright, brakes on.
What do you know? There's a brake pad in there.
What do you know?
There's one bolt red. Why aren't you going to your home?
Go to your home!
You know that's your home.
Alright, so Jamie got the brakes on. About to put the tires on. And tighten the control arms. Drive shaft back on. This thing's a 4-wheel drive again.
Yay.
case you didn't know, he snapped his ring gear on this axle. And this one had a couple other little problems with it too, so it was easier to just swap axles. Because he got this beast. What'd you pay for this?
$500.
$500.
Already paying off.
Already paying off. Really clean. The doors don't shake. There's no rust on it, man. This thing's actually in really good shape. It's not getting any spark. We haven't really had time to. I think he might even put a 350 or an LS in. I don't know what his plans are for there. I know 1 tons are going on it. But yeah, it's clean. Headliner's drooping down, but interior is in excellent shape. No rust on the bottom. $500, man. So I'll see videos on this soon.